guys, it's me Amar Ghankar and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the basic budget Barbie doll which looks like this. So if you want to know the detail about this Barbie doll, so please continue. So I'm going to unbox this Barbie doll. This cost Indian price rupees 399 and it's a basic budget entry doll. So I also reviewed the same Barbie doll in purple color dress, purple color violet color dress. So I'll be link that video in the description box, or so if you are interested to watch that video as well, so you can just go out there and watch it. So today I'm going to be reviewing this color. It's a mint color which has a pink print on it, and she has a red hair. So I'm going to quickly unbox this, and let's unbox now. Oh my god. So she looks like this. She has a rubber band which I need to take off, and she looks very gorgeous. Can you see her? She is so beautiful. I just love the way she looks. She's very gorgeous. So I'm going to just untie this rubber. And this is how she looks. Just close up to her face. I hope the camera is catching. She has a paler skin tone, has very whitish skin tone, and she has this beautiful red color hair. I would say that her hair is quite soft, as you can see. The volume is also okay. So for rupees 399 rupees, so obviously this Barbie doll is worth it. So talking about the dress, as I told, this is a very basic dress. There is nothing attached, any button or any elastic or anything to take off this clothes, so that's a drawback. So you need to pull this dress again to take off the clothes of this Barbie. But I just love the color of this Barbie doll. It's a mint turquoise bluish sort of a color which has a light pink color hearts. So it looks really gorgeous, I feel. She's wearing the sneakers, as all that Barbie's wearing this white color sneakers, so that means she has a flat foot. See, so the heel shoes, the shoes which has heels will not fit for this Barbie, so you need to keep that in mind. So here is the shoe, and it is written B Barbie. So it's a basic footwear. So I'm not a huge fan of this sneakers anyways. I like heels. So overall I would say, look at her eyes. She has a brown eyes and a peach pink sort of a lipstick. I just love her face. She is not that common classic Barbie face, so that's why I picked her. Actually, I bought it from the local store near my home. So it's not online, so I need to pay 399 rupees. And so talking about the articulation of this doll, so the articulation goes 5 articulation, like this hand, the basic legs, and the head. So 5 articulation, which is good enough for 399 rupees. So but the thing is that I just love her face. Can you see? And by the way, I am just shooting in the natural light, so you can see the exact color of the Barbie. So it's a natural light coming. Also I have switched on the lights as well, but still the natural light is coming, so you know, which gives a clear picture how she looks. So can you see this Barbie doll? She's so gorgeous. I mean, from the basic line, if I have to recommend which Barbie to pick, if you want to buy one Barbie from the basic line, purple color dress, pink color dress, and turquoise color dress. However, I don't know the pink color dress in detail, but I would highly recommend this one. If you have to pick one, go for this. I feel I I think you won't be really disappointed purchasing this. And she's very fair skin tone. I just love the way she looks. She has very minimalistic makeup. The best point of this doll is the face. She looks so beautiful. The hair is really soft and copperish red sort of a color, and the dress actually suits her skin tone because she's a paler whitish skin tone. So this kind of a pastel color dress actually suits her. So overall, I would say that definitely you should buy if you're a Barbie lover. So in 399 rupees you're getting such a beautiful product. So I feel that's you should get it. And I think that is it for the review. Just before buying, I try to help you out with the review that which gives you some idea to buy. So I always try to help you out with my review. So let me know in the comment section which Barbie you want to see next, so I would try to get it that for you and to review. And we just have a final look before wrapping up this video. See, so beautiful. By articulation in 399 rupees. So it's worth it. I really love this doll. So not much to say. By articulation, paler skin tone, brown eyes, peach pink lipstick, and a beautiful face, and a quite decent dress. So obviously you're getting all the products which suits in 399 rupees. So that is it for today's video. I hope this video was somewhat helpful, and let me know in the comment section which Barbie doll you want me to review next. I'll try to do that. And thank you so much for watching this video. I would request you to show some love by subscribing. If you like this video, please like it. If you dislike this video, that's fine. I take it in a positive sense. And I just wanted to say that be happy, stay blessed, and have a great time and enjoy your hobby. Thank you so much.